Hey everyone! When you think of Mr. Beast, what comes to mind? Is it the crazy challenges, the jaw-dropping prizes, or his incredible generosity? Today, we're diving into the lifestyle of Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, the man who's taken the world of YouTube by storm, and with it created a legacy of kindness, ambition, and big business. So sit tight as we break down the incredible life of one of the most successful YouTubers of all time. Jimmy's journey to becoming a YouTube superstar wasn't overnight. Born in Kansas in 1998, Mr. Beast started his YouTube career with simple videos like playing games or counting to 100,000. Yes, you heard that right. Counting to 100,000. His early videos were quirky and experimental, and let's be honest, pretty low budget. But Jimmy had one thing that many others didn't: an unrelenting passion for creating bigger and better content. He wasn't just trying to go viral, he was trying to make a lasting impact, even from the start. But what really sets Mr. Beast apart from the rest? His heart. While many YouTubers use their wealth to indulge, Jimmy used his success to give back to the world. And trust me, when I say give back, I mean on a massive scale. Mr. Beast's charitable projects are legendary, from raising millions to clean the oceans with Number Team Seas, to giving away cars, homes, and even entire islands to random strangers. He's made philanthropy a central part of his brand. And the best part, he often uses his own money to fund these initiatives. You might be thinking, why give away so much? And the answer is simple. Jimmy's belief is that wealth is meant to be shared, not hoarded. He's committed to using his success to make the world a better place, and that's something we can all learn from. Now you might be wondering, how does a guy who spends millions on giveaways even afford to do that? The answer lies in his business acumen. Mr. Beast isn't just about making viral videos, he's also a savvy entrepreneur. One of his most successful ventures is Mr. Beast Burger, a fast food chain that started as a delivery-only operation and exploded across the United States. And it didn't stop there. Jimmy also launched Feastables, a line of chocolate bars that's quickly becoming a favorite in stores everywhere. Mr. Beast has found the perfect balance between entertainment and business. His ventures not only expand his brand, but also bring in the revenue he needs to fund those epic giveaways and life-changing projects. But here's where it gets even more interesting: Jimmy's work ethic. You might think that running a business empire and doing large-scale charity work would be enough, right? But no, Mr. Beast is known for his tireless work ethic and insane commitment to creating quality content. Jimmy's daily routine involves planning massive challenges, organizing his team, and managing the complex logistics that go into every video. It's not just about sitting in front of a camera and making videos, it's about coordinating with a huge team of editors, designers, and producers to make every project as spectacular as possible. You see, Jimmy doesn't just film videos, he lives and breathes content creation. He often works long hours and pushes himself to create bigger and better ideas. In fact, he's been known to work around the clock, barely taking time off. But it's this relentless drive that's made him the success he is today. And let's not forget about the team behind Mr. Beast. Sure, Jimmy's the face of it all, but he's surrounded by a group of incredibly talented individuals who make everything happen. From his close friends like Chandler, Chris, and Carl, to the army of editors, cameramen, and strategists, Mr. Beast has built a solid team that shares his vision. And here's something cool. Jimmy doesn't just treat his team like employees, he treats them like family. Many of his team members were once fans of the channel, and now they're an integral part of the brand's success. Jimmy's loyal crew has grown alongside him, and together they've created something much bigger than a YouTube channel. They've built a movement of giving, entertaining, and inspiring millions. Of course, no one can work that hard without enjoying some of the perks of success. Mr. Beast's lifestyle does include a few luxuries. From expensive cars to lavish houses, Jimmy enjoys the finer things in life. But here's the thing, Jimmy's not about flaunting his wealth. Instead, he uses his success to amplify his mission. Whether it's buying an island to give away to a fan or giving away his dream car to someone in need, Mr. Beast uses luxury as a tool to inspire and share with others. MrBeast's lifestyle has had an undeniable impact on YouTube and beyond. He's changed the game when it comes to how content can be made, how success can be used, and how business and charity can work hand in hand. His influence extends far beyond YouTube. From inspiring a new generation of creators to changing how we view wealth, Jimmy has shown us that true success isn't just about the money you make. It's about the difference you make in the world. And what's next for MrBeast? Well, the sky's the limit. Whether it's creating more world-changing projects, expanding his businesses even further, or continuing to push the boundaries of what YouTube content can be, we know that Jimmy isn't slowing down anytime soon. MrBeast is building an empire that focuses on one thing: changing the world for the better. And with his drive and vision, there's no telling just how far he can go. So what do you think about MrBeast's lifestyle? Incredible, right? From his unbelievable work ethic and dedication, to philanthropy, to his incredible business ventures, Jimmy's lifestyle is proof that success isn't just about making money. It's about making an impact. Let us know in the comments what you think of MrBeast's journey and what part of his lifestyle inspires you the most. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of some of the world's most influential people.